No barking at the kitten.
Who's home?
Okay, new kitten, new guy. Look at the new kitten. New guy. Willow. Willow, no barking at the kitten. Buddy. Aww. New guy. Come look at this. He's like, forget it. He's leaving. New guy. Here, I'll bring him over there. See him. New. New guy. Look. There's something yellow on his face.
Yeah.
Oh, the kitten's hissing at him.
Oh, I've never heard you
Aww.
make any noise before.
I know. New guy, come back. Come on.
Oh, there's the kitten. Hey, new guy. You're not the new guy anymore. Gotcha.
Nice. Calm down. Oh, perfect.
Oh, go hide in your house.
Aw, it's okay, baby. Scary big cat. Willow, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Oh, baby. Come here. There you go. Where's your baby?
Oh, Willow.
Aww. Hi. Turn around so you can see his face. Hi, I'm Katie. Willow, is that your new friend? Who's the baby? Here, I'll introduce him to the tent.
Oh my god, this is not gonna be good.
Hi. It's your new baby. Hi. Oh, doesn't like him too much. Want to drink of water? Look, it's his first time on the cat pose. It's okay, baby. Look. He's too little to drink out of this giant bowl. New guy does not know what to think. I don't think he's ever seen a kitten before. There you go. I got him. See the baby?
Yeah, I don't think you should be
It's fine.
getting backed up in there. Who was that?
New guy. Who was that? Imagine if the kitten made that sound. Alright, you're in your house. There's your baby, Willow. Don't worry about it. Aww. 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 Aww, the baby. Give him a little picture. Take a picture of him. Aw, let's put a little blankie on him. Here, buddy. Aw, it's so
Good night,
cute.
Willow.